Let's
We're
go.
on and recording.
Hello, everybody. It is me,
Speak up.
the Boodle Boy, and welcome back to Resident Evil 4. Last episode we decimated a village and, killed everyone there. Off screen, I got new weapons. I upgraded the pistol and shotgun, and we got
I didn't upgrade the shotgun.
Not my shotgun, my knife. Thank you, Boodle Man. And I have a rifle now.
Alright. Step. I recommend being right here. No one can hit you. And then there's a zoom in feature. Take all the time you need to dismantle their heads.
That's two.
Try not to miss.
Hit or miss. I guess I always miss, bro.
You have a boyfriend, I guess he doesn't kiss you. Alright, I got your timers going.
Yep. So, 3 perfect, 4, but these guys love to blend into the surroundings. So it is very, very annoying to have them blend into the surrounding, which oh, hello. You need to die right now. Alright, so where are you guys coming from?
They keep coming.
Alright, I hear a couple more of them. Yeah, as I just walk down and shoot them, guys. Don't worry. Alright, I think that's the end of this area. So, we did all we could.
Little does the
So,
boy
you know,
know,
Not too
it
bad.
is nowhere
and
near
I'm gonna
the end.
reload my rifle.
There are a lot more people coming for him to touch his booty hole.
Hit him in the legs a little bit to cause a fatal casualty in his legs. Okay, and so I know we have to. Where the heck are you? Yeah, so Leon is getting tired, guys. That's closed. Get out my way. Ah. Alright. Break this open. Alright.
Break already.
Yeah, no, that's my fault, guys. Sorry about that. We're just gonna pick up right where we left off, shall we? Guys, this is my second death through this whole run through. Okay, I missed. Damn. Oh my gosh. Where the heck you guys at? Huh? I'm ready. Oh my gosh. Bonk. So, I'm trying to be very calm and efficient with bullets.
Come on.
Oh. I'm out of ammo for that. Sit down. Yep. Huh?
Next.
Where are you gonna go? For what? Get off me! Get! Alright. You always want to be safe and double tap, because if you don't double tap, oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna... Okay, buddy. Let's see. Yeah, so we were having a little difficult start in the video, guys. OBS wanted to be very stupid.
One down.
Hit him while he's down. Okay. This is why you don't sneak up on Leon S. Kennedy, bro. Do not play with me. Oh! You can take that. And that.
Shit.
Oh my god. I'm all out of ammo for that. No convulsions, please. I really don't want to have to kill you guys, but if I have to, I will. Okay, yeah, no, so, this is kind of just for fun. I was originally gonna live stream last night, and then just, where the heck are you? And then I just chose not to. Oh. Run. I really hate how we have so many freaking villagers.
Give me a break already.
Un forasteros. Yo. Where's the guy throwing bombs at? Because he's going to be the first one to go. Oh, you're right there. That. Open this. Thank you.
Out of the way.
I would genuinely say that too, Leon.
Next.
Get her at like a tactical range. Oh, okay, alright. Where? Okay. A lot of these guys love to hide in the map and then be annoying when I legit can't find them. Okay. Just put the weapon down, sir. I used to be a cop. Now I'm in a military program. Oh, I'm legit just trying not to die here, guys. So I think we're screwed, genuinely. Like, I genuinely mean that. Okay. Aha! Dang, Leon putting in that work, guys. So we finally passed an annoying segment. You're ruining it. You're ruining it, dude. No. Bad. Bad villager. Bad. Okay. I love how these villagers don't use guns, but they always have, like, ammo just laying around. Like, bro, what you preaching to up there, bro? I do see the bear traps, by the way. Me too, Leon. Order a farm it. Break this. Take money. Hopefully the merchant's near. Oh, heck nah. I hear Mr. Chainsaw. Oh! 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 Leave me alone! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Leon, run! 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 What are we doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm not mentally prepared to deal with him. Idiot! 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 Holy crap! Yeah, come here. Come here.
Shit.
Oh crap. Is he dead?
Stay down, all right?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Genuinely terrified right there, guys. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, dude. Screw you. Screw you, dude. Like, you know what? Oh my gosh, like... I don't physically... I'm traumatized from that.
Won't open.
Alright. That is traumatizing, people. Like, oh my god. I took down a chainsaw. Oh, what's in this? A necklace. Great. No, that was terrifying. I do not know how to get into this house. Which I need a key. But I want to see if there's like a window open. Or a secret way to get in. Oh, there's always a back door. How interesting. Oh, my bad. Didn't see. Walk them down, guys. Always walk the person down. Let's see. Anything
Not too
else?
shabby.
Alright.
Showing up their neighbors.
Leon coming in with these one-liners, dude. So, I think it's just a necessity that has a padlock on it, which I do not know the code to. But, I'm terrified, but there is a typewriter. And I'm taking that pink herb. Like, I don't care what anybody says. Okay. How do I get into that room? Okay. So, you guys can read this.
So if my brother had actually decided to go out of the way and read the thing, he would see the code for the combination downstairs. But because he didn't do that, he ended up calling me in later, as you guys will see on that point.
So,
it's kind of embarrassing for him, not for me. I got it on like my second try.
That ruby
So
is
sucks to be him.
useful. I got a key. Leon, don't be so scared, man. I'm more scared than you are. Okay. I can't use that to get in there. This is what I'm confused about, is because Resident Evil does not really tell you what to do. And I feel like there's like something painted on the wall that's gonna give you a clue, but let's see. Calling the Boodle Man. Hey.
Yeah.
I'm confused on this one part.
I'm coming.
Okay. Alright, so he's on the way. Alright. So guys, if we look back at the feed, me taking on that chainsaw guy was pretty crazy, right? Like, I took him down with...
Where are you lost?
I made it into the house. I checked the picture, and I flipped it over. I just don't...
If I'm correct, it should be pig prop. Prop.
Alright, and... now I can't... I know the puzzle upstairs, guys. That... because we'll need those.
Did you check the oven?
Yes, I got the egg.
Okay, reload all of your weapons. You can still move while reloading.
Yeah. If I remember, you have to like
Angle it. Angle it. Rotate. Rotate. Flip it around.
this puzzle is so much easier than the old one. Okay.
Oh wow, that was so hard.
Yeah, it was, bro.
Oh my gosh, it's Sadler.
Behind you. Then you can come back for that at a later time.
What isn't?
That.
Okay. Ashley.
Pick up the ammo.
Oh, yo, get your... Leon. That does not work on him. Harder. Oh, I could take it.
The blood has accepted the gift.
My blood has not accepted this gift. Oh, yo. Is that, It's Ada Wong. Dude, why you got that look in your eye? Like, dude's trying to be zesty. Why are you leaving me alive? Finish the job. You can go back to hang out with Ariel if you want.
Gift.
Don't look back in the feed when I fight the chainsaw guy, because you're going to look at me and you're going to be like...
I already know I'm going to be disappointed.
Actually, you're going to be surprised. I didn't die to him, and I thought I was. He came down the stairs and I was running, and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my god. Like, I ran out of bullet. Okay. Next chapter. I don't know why I saved twice. Shut up. Alright, guys. Yo.
You requested on Louis Sarah. It seems he used to be a researcher for Umbrella.
Chipotle.
Left him in that bag to rot.
You can open the door while
I'm sending you the details. Take a look, but Baby Eagle is your priority.
Thank you, Hunnigan. We'll talk later. I left a love note on you. Oh,
Alright,
the moment.
start your outro.
Alright, everyone. Well, that will be the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you have not. And let us know your favorite part of the video. God bless and happy gaming. Bye-bye.
Leave me alone, 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 leave me alone. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Run! What are we doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm not mentally prepared to deal with him.